The results were no cancer, all stable. Did the EES prior to the MRI, same results. No cancer, all stable. I'm beyond thrilled.
If your cells are not properly charged, you will experience disease as opposed to health. Through scalar wave technology and biophotonic light, the EESystem gives a boost to the cells in your body, keeping them at their optimal charge of 70 to 90 millivolts. Spending time in this technology is like recharging the battery of your body, giving you more strength, vitality, and energy to thrive. Clinical trials have shown that the EESystem technology assists in cell regeneration, neurotransmitter functions, immune function, and so much more. And this research has been acknowledged by many in both the medical and scientific communities. Thousands around the world are reporting benefits such as mood elevation, lower stress levels, pain relief across the board, increased energy levels, emotional stability, improved immune function, and that's just the tip of the iceberg.
I've been ill with chronic Lyme disease for many, many years, and my energy level usually runs around 10 to 25% max. After one session in the chairs here, my energy shot up to 100.
Hi, I'm Michael Scalar. I'm the CEO of Energy Enhancement System, or as most of you know it, EESystem. So the technology is quite intricate in general, but simple at the same time. The basic scalar theory is opposing electromagnetic fields create a cancellation effect or phase conjugate wave pairs. This is the part that normally goes over people's heads, but you could think about it as two negative things colliding and making a positive. It's a transformational collision of energy that creates kind of implosion, explosion, that creates scalar fields. And then we are embedding on those with other things like biophotonics, which the layman's term would be color therapy. And then what you're seeing scrolling on the screen is actually what we call cellular communication. We're actually trying to talk to your body, talk to your mind, all spheres of your existence to optimize and be better at whole.
I am Dr. Sandra Rose Michael, and I've taught holistic health for over 45 years, and out of my research in applied integrated biophysics, I invented the true bioscalar fusion technology known as the Energy Enhancement System, or the EESystem. We did research with NASA, put a system in Houston, and they were studying the effects on the DNA, and found that it was repairing all the breaks in the DNA, all the genetic damage, and lengthening telomeres. Now, why is that important? Now, some of the research with the initial system was they found that there was a total neutralization or nullification of all detrimental fields, including radiation.
Research is showing oxygenation in the blood, which is really easy to show. So obviously if you're getting energy on a large scale, it's going to show up through multiple different biofunctions. So we've shown DNA repair, increased oxygenation of blood, which then also leads to declumping of the blood. When all the body's little tiny mitochondrial type functions start kicking in, first thing the body typically does is start to clean house. So our technology does not heal, cure, prevent, treat anything, but the body is designed to heal itself from anything and everything. So we don't take an approach at attacking a certain thing or providing a frequency range to a certain area or thing. We are a true holistic experience, and where we're just giving every part of your body more energy to function fully and optimally.
I didn't have any solutions. I thought, well, I'm going to just try it again. What do I got to lose? I'm suffering so damn bad. So I came back the next day, 6 hours, and I walked out of that place pain-free.
I spent the night. I slept in this thing. I just felt so good. I was like, okay, what's the downside of this? There's only upside as far as I can see from this component.
I don't care what anyone says. All I can tell you is this. It's changed my life so much. It literally saved me.
Once and for all, finally, we can return back to ourselves and heal ourselves, because that's what the body does best. You just need to be in an environment, an energetic environment specifically, that allows you to experience a coherent field of energy so the body can do what it does best, which is heal itself.